Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video, I am going to talk about the task called Type the Missing Letters. Now here, before starting with the task, I would like to mention that common words are there which we need to keep in our mind before solving such tasks. There are preposition, article and conjunctions. Few of them I have mentioned on screen and rest I will explain you in the video. For solving these kind of tasks, the first thing that we have to do is we have to read the whole paragraph, because you'll find few words, either one or two words itself from the paragraph. So it will become very easy for you to solve it. Like for solving this, I read the paragraph first and then I'm starting it. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is seen in the sky. Now you can see that the word sky is already typed by them and it is already in the paragraph. So I got this from the paragraph itself. Okay, and gives light to the earth. When the sun is in the sky, it is day. When the sun is not in the sky, it is night. So here I have done with all my answers. Now you can see that there are in total the use of the is common over here, like 3 times it has been used. The word sky is also repeated. The word is also repeated. Okay, in is also repeated. So these are the common words which you have to keep in your mind when you are solving such questions. So this was the one example. I hope you did understand it. Now we will be moving to another example, but please take the total 3 minutes of time to solve these kind of example, because once you get done with that, you read again whole paragraph, try to correct yourself if you have made any mistakes anywhere, and then only you click the next button. Do not be in hurry, because you might make mistake, like typing errors may also occur. It happens that while writing you might type T again instead of HE. So these are the silly mistakes which we may commit. So you have to be very sure, you have to read it twice or thrice to make sure that you have done the task perfectly correct. So here I am taking a complete time of 3 minutes to check whether I have done it accurately or not. Now this is the another task of similar type. Now the first thing, like I told you in previous example also, that you have to go through the whole paragraph first and then try to write the missing letters. The other most important thing that I would like to suggest over here is that always read the first sentence. The first sentence will tell you what the paragraph is all about. So over here they are talking about a person named Gnal who grew up in Los Angeles. She means she's a female. Now they are talking about her career. So likewise, related to career words or related to education, these kind of words should come into your mind. So over here, similarly, she studied at the Harvard Westlake School Prep School. See, the school word I got again from the paragraph itself. In 1995, she went to New York to attend Columbia University. Full stop. Here she studied. See, this word studies is again repeated. Literature and conjunction and Eastern religions. So really is given. So GN we have to add over here. And she graduated in 1999. So here our example ends. Like I took complete 3 minutes to have again a look over any mistakes if I have done. So I similarly request you also, please, even though you have completed before time, go through the paragraph again and again, like twice or thrice, to make sure that you have written all the spellings correctly and you have not made any silly mistakes, because this is the scoring part. So it's really very important. I'm not going to take this particular example till 3 minutes to avoid the length of the video. So I'll stop it over here. So here is one unsolved example which I want you people to solve, and you can send me your answers on the email that is available in the description box. Do try to solve it. I have taken complete 3 minutes in this particular task, so you can utilize the time and you can complete the task and you can send your answers to us. Check the description box for the email ID. So here the task ends. I hope you find really very easy to solve the task. Send me your answers in the email given in the description box. Thank you.